Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 40 SE. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Security and Biometrics. Go to Screen Lock. Use your current password to unlock the menu. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords. Non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with none, which is actually non-security password, as well as the swipe. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create PIN, enter at least 4 digits. Then, let's select password. To create password, enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern, connect at least 4 dots. Confirm, and it's done. Now let's go to Fingerprint, and to use Fingerprint you have to scan it on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to Face Unlock, tap Start, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.